What's up, Peak Timers? Here is the 2019 Hot Wheels G case. Let's go ahead and open it up. This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Granatoys. Granatoys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. The super treasure hunt for the 2019 G case is the 1992 Ford Mustang. The treasure hunt for the 2019 Hot Wheels G case is the Corvette Stingray. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, let's start right on the top right here. We'll pull out our first three cars. We've got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. We've seen this one in the previous case. We got the Batmobile. Check that one out. That's an interesting new casting. We've got the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck. That's a cool one. We've seen that one before as well. And we have got the HW50 concept, two of those. We've got the Carbide, which looks kind of like an F1 type car, pretty neat. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Cruella de Vil's, and we've got the Jeep Wrangler. We've seen these both in the previous cases. We'll go on to the top right here. We've got Rocket Fire. Check out the gold on the Rocket Fire. We've got the 66 Chevy Nova, nice orange with the flame paint job on there. That's an interesting one. I like that one. Let's go on to the next ones here. We've got the Batmobile, and we've seen that one before in the previous case. We've got the Tricera Truck. I think we did see that one as well. I'm not sure if it was the same color or not, but we did see that one. And we've got the Speed Box in gold. Check out that shiny gold on those. We've got the Carbonator. New color for the Carbonator. We'll put those down, and we've got the King Cudas. Check it out, the red King Cudas. That's our third color variation. We did see those in the previous case. New color variation for the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. I'm liking that. I like the black wheels with the chrome lip on there. Great looking casting. And we have got also down here, we've got the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. That's that new camo look. And we've got a new color variation of the Too Tough, the quote unquote Lamborghini truck. A lot of people say it looks kind of like a Lamborghini or even a Mazda from the front, actually. Kind of more of a Mazda type truck from the front. But it's an interesting casting. We got the new white color of that one. And then we've got the Salt Shaker. Check it out. It's kind of like a turbine type jet engine car, but it's kind of like salt shakers in them, salt and pepper in there. Interesting. Ford Focus RS, two color variations of the green. We did see these ones in the previous case, but really, really cool. I love this casting. Put those ones down inside. And we have got the Skull Shaker in that yellow. We've got the Hover Storm. We've seen those ones in the previous case as well. And check this one, Cool Combi. I love the color of that Cool Combi, kind of that matte color to it. We got the Srt Viper Gts Rs. Also seen these ones in the previous case. And ooh, there we go. We've got the 92 Ford Mustang, and this one looks like the regular one. Doesn't look like the super variation. No, it is the regular one, because the super variation does have the stripes on the hood. So it is the regular variation of the Super Treasure Hunt. Really, really nice casting though. I really like that one. Then we got a couple of cool muscle cars, 66 Nova and the 67 Chevelle SS. All right, let's move on down to our bottom here. Pull that cardboard packaging out. Move the box a bit closer. What do we have up here? We've got the Rise and Climb. Check it out, new color variation. And there is our treasure hunt from the case, the Corvette Stingray. I really, really like this. I love the C3 Stingray Corvettes and this chromed out variation. The treasure hunt variation, there is your treasure hunt logo right there on the back. Very, very cool. Love that one. Great casting. All right, let's put those ones aside. We'll grab some more from the top up here. Got four cars in hand. So we've got the custom 67 square back Volkswagen. There it is. I think we did see this one previously. There's another one of the 67 Chevelles, as well as your Rise and Climb. All right. And we've got the Bogzilla. Looks like a new color variation of that Bogzilla. Check it out. I like that. I like the Bogzilla. It's fun. You can actually put Lego guys in the Bogzilla. They fit nicely in there. So try that if you have any Lego guys. We got the turbocharged Turbocharged? Yeah, that's an interesting new fantasy casting. Got kind of the skulls and stuff on the front. We'll have to open that one up and race it down the track in the future. And what else do we got here? We've got the Mazda REPU pickup trucks, and these are the mainline variations. They do have these ones as supercharger hunts from the previous case, but there are some mainline ones that carried over. We've got some slide kick. That might be a new fantasy car as well. I like the wheels on that. I like the color of those wheels with the color inlet. There we go, nicely done. Oh, there's some ones that I'm looking forward to. There's Buns of Steel, new color variation, and we've got the 96 Porsche Carrera. I was really looking forward to the casting. As you guys know, I'm becoming more of a Porsche fan. Normally I wasn't, but I really like what Hot Wheels is doing with the Porsches. They're making them just look so good and so proportionate now compared to some of the previous ones that they came out with. But very nice casting. We'll definitely be opening those ones up in the future. We've got some more of the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32s carried over from previous case, and there is our new color variation of the Pagani Huayra. Check it out, red with the Brembo on the side of it. Nice black, and even from the top got some nice silver striping on there. Can't wait to open that one up. We'll put those ones aside. And we've got the I Believe. We saw those ones in the previous case, and we got a 2016 Camaro SS. I think we did see that one in the previous case as well. And ooh, I see some new variations. We've got the 88 Honda CRX. We've got the black with gold wheels. I love black with gold wheels, as you guys know. We saw the Pagani Huayra Roadster in the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack with the same color variation. Looks fantastic. We saw this one previously released in red. Now we've got the black. Then we've got the Roadster in black with the blue on there. That's a great looking casting. I love that one. And we've got the Blasmus Moto. New color variation, green with all blacked out on there. That looks really good. I like that. All right, we'll put those ones aside. And what else we got? We got the Grupo X24, Grupo X24, not sure exact pronunciation of that. Pretty cool casting though. We've got the Heavy Hitcher. There's your new tow truck. Put those ones aside. And we have got the 57 Chevy, check it out. Black with the flame job on there. I think that's a new color variation. I don't think that's the same as the previous one. I can't quite remember, but still a very nice casting. We've seen lots of color variations of the 57 Chevy. We got the Dark Knight Batmobile. There's a nice new color of that one. And what else do we got down here? Ooh, Lamborghini Countach police car. We did, I believe, see this one in the previous case, but I really like this casting. Such a great Lamborghini Countach. If you haven't got the previous red and white one, grab those ones as well. But there is your police car variation. Before they were the pace cars. Now we've got the Hyper Rocker. We saw that one previously as well. And our last three cars down at the bottom, the last one is actually a new one. We've got the Volkswagen Golf GTI Momo editions in yellow. We saw those ones previously in red. And there is our Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Police Edition. I really like this casting. Great color variation. It looks like it's the Japanese police variation. Alright guys, I've picked out my 6 favorite cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels GKs, the 92 Ford Mustang, the Pagani Huayra new red variation, the Spider-Mobile Batman car, the Treasure Hunt Corvette Stingray, the 96 Porsche Carrera, and the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR police car. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from the 2019 Hot Wheels GKs, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.